Hey everyone, it's Tammy with Southern Angels Boutique. I'm going to do a Valentine's craft, and I wanted to show you what I was doing. So I have these little puffy balls. I'm not even sure what you call them, what they're actually called, but um, I had sorted them out. I've had them for years, and I sorted them all out by color. I think it was last year in these little jars, so when I needed them, whoops, and I just dropped the jar. Sorry about that. So that I would need them when I needed them. I'd have them, and because I had them in this huge, huge jar, and so I thought, well, I'm gonna sort them out by color so I don't have to dig for what I need, and I think it would be easier to have them sorted. So anyway, I remembered I had Valentine's colors, some pink, some red, some white in these little jars. I thought, you know what? I've seen these where you buy them. I thought, I'm going to make my own little swag, whatever you call it. So that's what I'm sitting here doing. I just got the embroidery thread or whatever it's called, floss, and this really big needle. And I'm sitting here, and I'm just going to sit here and sitting on my sofa down here watching some late night TV. I've got that Hallmark on. They've got Seventh Heaven on. And, I used to watch that show many years ago with my kids. I like to watch that at night. So, yeah, I was just sitting here watching that on the sofa and doing this, and because I was trying to figure out what do I have that I can make some stuff for Valentine's. So thought, okay, I'll do this. And then I got sent, I don't know if y'all remember me showing this before, but I also have this huge bag of it's like Valentine petals that I got sent from Amazon. I believe it was something free that I got. I've been saving it, thinking, well, I'll come up with something, to do with it. I know I'm probably going to try and make some maybe roses or rose petals. And I thought, you know what, I might could do something with this too. I'll probably use some for scatter also, just scattering them out. But I was thinking I could get them in between and just maybe I might just put some in between here and do that. I don't know if I'll stitch them or hot glue them or what yet, but I was thinking I could do that. And then I've got loads of just little scraps of fabric from clothing and just different little scraps from things. I might tie some little scraps of fabric in between them, just different little things to make it, look real country, shabby chic, vintage, whatever you want to call it. So anyway, I'm going to get this started, and when it's done, I can show you what it's all finished, but I'm sure y'all know how to. The hardest part about it is keeping the string from getting all string from getting all tangled up. But I'm going with just trying to keep it in like a little bit of a consistency of a color. But I'm sure y'all know how to just sew these on here. I've got them laid out on my coffee table. And you just make sure you stick it right in the middle where it catches. And you can use whatever size needle you want. I find, see, my knot's going to come undone there. I find using a big needle helps me. But if you don't have a big needle like this, you can use a small needle, would be fine. And if you don't have this kind of floss, just regular, whatever you've got, string, I'm sure would work as well. And then you just pull it down. So I'll do a couple more. This needle's not as sharp as like a normal regular needle, so it's a little bit more difficult, being that it's so big. That's all it is. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done, and then I'm going to have to cut me some scraps of fabric. So let me finish this up, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I finished up getting all the little pink and white and red puffy balls on the string. And now I've got some little lace scraps and little fabric scraps, and I'm just tying them on different places. It's like the lace ones I'm tying next to either like the pink or the red balls, like this. See, just like that. And then the little red and white stripe pieces of fabric that I cut, I'm tying them next to the white. And I'm just looping it way everything can slide if I need to slide it anywhere. So that's all I'm doing, just like that. So I'm going to finish that up, and then later when I can get upstairs back to my room, I'll get my hot glue gun and I'll go through and glue some of those little rose petals that I was showing earlier. Since I'm downstairs, I'll just get some of these. When I go upstairs, I'll get that glue gun heated up, and I'll just glue some petals on probably in between after I do all this. And I think that'll look cute. I might even glue some a little button or something on too. I don't know. I'll just see how it looks. But where that loops over, I think I can just put just a little dab of hot glue or something to hold it on. And I think that'll look real cute with the little flower petal. So let me go ahead and finish this, and then I'll show you how that looks. Okay, I'm back, and I've finished my little garland here, and this is what it looks like. And I'll come back with another video to show you what it looks like hanging up. But I wanted to show you how it looks now all finished. I think it looks really cute. So y'all can tell me in the comments what y'all think. So I haven't decided though really if I do want to put the little petals on it or just do a different one with the petals, because I kind of like the way it looks like this. So I'm going to kind of think about it. So y'all let me know what y'all think. I kind of like it like this, and I may just do another one with just petals and some scrap fabric. I don't have any more of these, so I may just do something with the petals and, like I said, some little scrap pieces of fabric and lace. So yeah, y'all tell me what y'all think I should do. But this is what it looks like, and I wish I could show y'all better, but like I said, when I've got it hanging, I'll do another video so y'all can see, and I'll take pictures and everything. So I thank y'all for watching. Please share, comment, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And when you subscribe, please remember to hit that notification bell so that y'all can know when I'm doing new videos. So again, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a blessed day. See you again soon. Bye now. Oh, and remember to give a thumbs up.